Good morning, everybody. I thought today would be a fun day to do a little vlog. I'm in the car with just Bandit. Sorry, maybe a little dark. I'm in the car with just Bandit right now. He's having a little bit of a heart attack because he knows we're gonna get out right now and walk around. We just dropped Dude off at grooming. Dude's on a little different schedule than Bandit. We're gonna meet up with my brother. We're gonna walk around downtown, maybe get a coffee or something. So I thought I'd bring you guys along for the day and we'll see where the day takes us. I think it was just a lot going on downtown.
Yeah.
Okay, we had a fun little time with Brother Joe, or Uncle Joe.
Hey, Bandy. Bandy.
Bandit, say goodbye.
Bandy,
We gotta go pick up your brother.
Bandy, how about a little handshake? How about a little handshake? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It was a fun day, huh, buddy? Are anyone else's allergies going crazy right now? I just sneezed like 10 times in a row. So, back home, Dude looks adorable. Both of the dogs are so tired right now, so that'll be perfect. I'm gonna go run a few errands. I do want to give you guys a full garden tour by hopefully the end of this video. I have a couple of things I still need to get. And I'm gonna go to the store today because I want to get some flowers. I was just getting out some of my pots. I'll take you guys outside and show you. Had to come home, get a little Diet Pepsi in me, keep it going for the rest of the day. Dude is looking like an absolute teddy bear. The perfect boy. We're keeping his hair a little bit longer and he just looks so cute and he's so fluffy. I love it. So she put a little bandana on him. Bandit's tired over here from a day out on the town. So we had a fun day. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys outside. I don't want to give you guys the full garden tour yet. So I'm gonna kind of hide a few things from you. But a couple of things. My watering can broke. Maybe that was a blessing. I've had this watering can for a super long time and I wanted a new one. I think a new one is on the way today. I think it's supposed to get here today. That'll be great. Another addition to the garden were these large pavers. In my last video, I had smaller ones. They were like 16 by 16. These are 24 by 24. I just got two because I was by myself at the store and they're very heavy. So I just got two to kind of get the feel of it. And like I had said, I want to do them like all the way around both the garden beds and everything. Bandit likes them. Over here, I just got some potting soil and I got some pots out. These are just ones that I've had. But I want to get just a few flowers today. I also want to get some marigolds for the garden beds because that's supposed to be good to put in your garden bed is marigolds. So I want to get a few just like fun, colorful flowers just to have randomly out here on the patio. Probably won't get any more of these. I'll wait for Joshua like on the weekend to get more of those. Our shepherd's hook is thriving. Birds are coming out, getting their food. I showed you guys, I think it was the last video or maybe the video before, but we're loving our little bird feeder here and I really want to get a flower basket for the other side, so maybe I'll get that today too. We'll see what we find, but it'll kind of level it out. I don't know why they do this. And dude, as soon as he got home from grooming today, he immediately got in the grass and started rolling around. Hopefully we can get some things planted. I know that sounds a little crazy because the past few videos I have showed you guys how I'm loving just buying like the faux flowers. Those are perfect for under my porch or areas that don't get much sun or areas where I don't want it to get super messy or wet all the time. But areas like over by my garden beds where I'm already watering it all the time anyway, I think it'll be perfect. I don't know how well the lighting is working, but I just got back home with a full truckload of stuff I have to unload. And I had some groceries to put away too, but there was a package by the door. So Joshua's birthday was yesterday, and my parents got him some of these Hey Dude shoes. Joshua has a pair in white, and he wears them all the time, but white, not very easy to keep clean. We can wash them, which we've done, but they got him these really cool gray ones. So if your man is looking for a cool pair of shoes, I think they're cool. And he loves them because you just slip them on. I don't know about your man, but my man does not like to lace up his shoes. It's just like a nice slip-on thing. So I was gonna just wrap it so when he comes home, because he doesn't know about it, my parents sent it over. So I was just gonna try to wrap it for when he got home so it looks kind of presentable. I didn't have like a manly birthday bag. I just had this white one. So try to make it look halfway decent. I just got him some deodorant while I was at the store too, so I set that next to it. Okay, I'm going to go unload the Jeep. Guys, these are my new Hokas that my mom got for my parents got for my birthday. I have been wearing them every single day. I just showed them in my last video. I run in them. I'm running errands in them. Like, I literally can't stop wearing them. I'm obsessed with them. I mean, look at, just from the last video, they're dirty. I can probably throw them in the washer or something, which I'll probably do after today, but yeah, I am just still so obsessed with these. They are literally the comfiest shoes in the world. I'm going to give you guys the full Gardner Abbey haul. I got all of these flowers. So we got a couple of geraniums, which is funny because, you know, I bought my faux geraniums. Some marigolds. These are for, they haven't bloomed yet, but these are for the garden bed. And then I loved this. I thought this was really cute. This is a dahlia. So I thought that was really pretty. And then, what was the name of this one? I think this says it's called a lantana, if I'm correct. But I just had to get like really full sun things because we get a lot of sun back here. I am obsessed with this hanging basket. Full sun. I loved the blue flowers. So I went to like a little cute garden shop. I actually went to 2 garden shops besides Lowe's. And I was telling them I want one with those blue flowers in it. I forget what they're called, but this was the only hanging basket they had left that had the blue flowers on it. So love that. It was only, was it 15? Yeah, it was $15 for this huge basket. I thought that was great. We've got more bed soil, more compost too. So first things first, let's hang this beautiful thing up. I have been waiting for the perfect hanging basket. I was gonna settle, but I'm so glad I didn't. Okay, I think I'm obsessed. I think I really love it. Only a few days later, ready to give you guys a full garden tour. I was waiting for a less windier day. The past 2 days have been kind of like windy and a little bit chilly actually, but it's still like that, but we're just gonna go for it. Right now, because I don't have a shovel, I have a spoon and a little bit of romaine lettuce here. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with it in a second, but I want to give you guys my garden tour. You know, the fish pond is actually doing a little bit better. If you saw the last video, we've been keeping an umbrella over it, and that's really helping because it's actually not supposed to get a ton of sun, so that's helping. I just planted these flowers. This planter is new, and I think it looks really cute, and they've been doing well, so planted those. And then as we come into the actual garden area, These were here when we moved, and I definitely want to change them all out to the square pavers like what I did over here. Right here is our little garden. Got our cedar boxes. They're finally filled. I think last time I showed you guys, this one was not filled yet. And we've still got some room to put some things. I'll show you guys a little tour though of what we have. We've got lots of tomatoes through here. I recently just planted all these marigolds, so those are about to pop here pretty soon. We've got lots of lettuce. I did take some leaves off of here the other day, and we already ate some of it, so that was fun. This was store-bought romaine lettuce, and I read something online that said you could just plant the end of it and it'll regrow, and it really is regrowing. That is why I want to plant this in here, and I still need to get a garden shovel because I just have a spoon right now. So I'm gonna plant that, and you can see this marigold has popped. We've got cucumbers, different peppers over here, and yeah, that's kind of what we have going in this box. And then in this one, I have a couple sweet potatoes, marigolds. I did plant spinach seeds in here. I don't know if it's actually gonna come up, but we'll see. Brussels sprouts, and I gotta figure out what I'm doing over here. So I was thinking maybe, I don't know, maybe more lettuce. We'll see what happens. Originally, we were gonna put another box over here, another garden box. I was quickly humbled by how much work this was to fill it all up, because a lot of you had said in the comments, fill it up with sticks and leaves and all that stuff, and then do the soil. So quickly realized how much work it actually was. We just put some patio furniture over here, and I think it looks really adorable. It's just like a little magical area over by the garden. I have a dahlia, another geranium, and then this is my new watering can I was telling you guys about the other day. They're playing football. So this is a 2-gallon watering can. It's just really pretty. I can link it for you guys, but this actually comes off too, which I really liked, that little feature. And then I have my other little watering can out here. So just my magical little area. Like I said before, we're gonna get more of these pavers and put them all around these boxes and make a little path over there. So yeah, that's what's going on. We've had people coming out try to fix our grass. So hopefully our grass will come back soon. This is doing well. I've got a cardinal, female and male cardinal, that keep coming back here, which is awesome. I think that's it for the garden tour. My magical little sanctuary that I'm obsessed with. The only other addition is I put faux geranium in this little pot over here too. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Also, little PSA, make sure if you're digging anything up in your yard, watch out for cable lines, internet lines. You know, I just cut mine the other day and we were out of internet for 5 days. So just keep that in mind when you're digging up something, you know. Just keep a lookout for any sort of cord that could be under there. But I hope you guys are doing great. Thanks so much for watching this video. Well, like I've said before, if you are a gardener, have any garden tips, leave it down below. I'm very new. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I've been looking up a lot of things, so I love all the gardening tips, but we are gonna take off for the weekend, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video.